Greetings. So this Friday, Chef DG is in the Asana kitchen, ready to answer your questions. Okay, so it's part of the practice and process conversations with senior Ashtanga teachers that John Bultman is putting on. So that's there's a lead primary from 8 to 9:30 taught by John, and then a Q&A with me from 9:30 to 10:30 this Friday, July 10th. All right, so and email him and submit your questions. I would love to give you some input. Okay, and then also if you missed the Kapo Kids workshop last weekend, it's now a recorded version is now available on my website, so you can still take part in that.